Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will discuss a product unboxing and what that product is like. We see that the packaging of this product is too good. It is made of cardboard. This time I am going to unbox it using scissors. It is my first product review video. My product has been unboxed and this is origami paper. I purchased it from Flipkart and it has total 100 paper. It has 8 deep pink paper, 10 cardboard color paper, 10 blue paper, 8 green paper, 8 sky paper, 13 black paper, 8 yellow paper, 13 light pink paper, 13 white paper and 10 deep yellow paper. If you want to buy this product from Flipkart, you can buy the product from the link given in my description box. I think this paper will be very useful for art and craft work. Guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more videos.